Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna try to fix this Super Nintendo or Super Famicom that according to the seller is in a not working condition. And first things that I noticed, there are some Phillips screws here and there's the missing screws around the corner. So I already suspect someone was already inside here. So here you are with the mainboard. It's the RGB02 model, and I already noticed that the fuse is different and the crystal too. Someone changed for the power system, and I noticed some corrosion on the connectors and the cartridge. With the help with the microscope, I noticed there was what seems to be some corrosion over some pins of the CPU, which I cleaned later with the IPA. And I noticed too, on the video encoder, I noticed there was a lift lag, and this lag is responsible for the selection of NTSC or PAL system. And I don't know what I was doing right here on this part of the video anymore. And in the end, to fix the console was very an easy one, just replacing the linear voltage regulator. But since it took so long again to make this video, I ended doing the USB-C mod. I prototyped a very small PCB and soldered the USB-C female connector over it and put here on the place of the original jack. And I removed the FR out because I was planning to do a SPD high F out later, maybe, and had to cut a little bit of the plastic to make room for the connector. And I use hot glue to close the gaps. I know it doesn't look that great, but it is what it is. And I gapped the input and output where the voltage regulators was before. And swap the crystal for the NTSC frequency. Use some IPA to clean a little bit. And almost the final result with the appropriate crystal and USB-C plugged in with a phone charger, at least 1 amp it's recommended, and I'm using a SCART cable and something I prototyped here just to output to split it for RCA, and let's see if it's gonna work. But there is no audio, unfortunately, and I check later what it is. So I put an audio RCA out right on the out of a preamp, and there's audio, very low, but there is. So that means that the S-Mix op amp it's damaged. I'm replacing just ripping from another donor console. And I already checked some capacitors, but no dice. So I think this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Please consider subscribing, and thank you very much for watching.